God began writing his story through Lower Lights in 1934 as his people responded to a need to bring the message of hope and holiness to our community. To make this call a reality, the people obediently sacrificed their time and resources. With 2 dimes placed on the altar, the property was secured on which the foundation of Lower Lights would be built. Today, that original desire for the message of holiness to be proclaimed is still the central focus of Lower Lights and is being carried out through Lower Lights Church, Lower Lights Ministries, and Lower Lights Christian Health Center.
We can offer patients the hope and the life that is in Jesus Christ.
We grow through that as we watch them grow.
Offering health care to someone that might not be able to have it otherwise.
No money, no income here. You can still come and they will help you.
They're very nice and very good people.
Home will always be Lower Lights community.
I see God changing lives.
Pretty nice people.
It's completely changed my life.
It's all through the church and through the ministry that I have came this far. Without them, I probably would be lost back in the streets.
We really try to see others how God sees them.
Yes, Lower Lights is also helping the community, homeless people, to help feed them and shelter them.
But how you also get to see the love of Christ in each person, that it changes.
I think that Rachel's House program is a good program.
I was introduced as a friend, and I haven't been called that in a long time.
Love is what changes hearts and minds.
We invite others into God's story.
It provides an avenue for hope and prosperity personally and emotionally and spiritually.
I once was lost, but now I'm found through the church, through Jesus Christ.
It's really family in Christ all the way.
The only church out of all the churches that we've been to that we actually felt comfortable in. You feel like you're home, you belong.
We're a church that is for the city.
Thank you for being a part of God's story as it is being written through Lower Lights.
Who knows how big God's story can be?
His story is only limited by the depth of our faith, the level of our commitment, and the size of our sacrifice.